Correct or incorrect? For auditor's opinion, reasonable assurance is an absolute level of assurance. The statement is incorrect. An auditor is considered to lack independence if the partner of the audit firm deals with shares and securities of the audited entity. The statement is correct. Historical financial information is related to financial information based on assumptions about occurrence of future events and possible actions by an entity. The statement is incorrect. There is no difference between audit and review. The statement is incorrect.